Does direct auto insurance cover rental cars? Direct auto insurance offers coverage options related to rental vehicles, but the specifics depend on the nature of the rental and the coverages you have in your policy. Rental car coverage as a temporary substitute. If your insured vehicle is undergoing repairs due to a covered loss, your existing auto insurance policy may extend to a rental car used as a temporary substitute. This means that both liability and physical damage coverages could apply to the rental vehicle in such situations. Search 00 rental reimbursement coverage. Direct Auto provides rental reimbursement coverage, which helps pay for the cost of a rental car if your vehicle is undrivable due to a covered accident or loss. This coverage is optional and can be added to your policy to ensure you have transportation while your car is being repaired. Site turns 0 search. Comprehensive and collision coverage. To have physical damage coverage for a rental car, it's essential to carry both comprehensive and collision coverages on your policy. These coverages help protect your vehicle from damages that occur in events other than collisions, such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Turn 0 search for considerations for rental car insurance. It's important to note that while your direct auto insurance policy may extend to rental cars used as temporary substitutes during repairs, this may not apply to rental cars you use for other purposes, such as vacation rentals. In such cases, you might need to consider additional rental car insurance options to ensure adequate coverage. Understanding the specifics of your policy and the coverages it provides is crucial. Reviewing your policy details and consulting with a direct auto insurance agent can help you determine the best options for your situation. To see the best offers on auto insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.